Hey, sex is not better than making it to tomorrow. So again, we lose another star in the music game. And I hate that this is a consistent thing that happens. So it's not really anything better than staying positive the best way you know how. And not, I wish we could come together, you know what I'm saying? I really do. I wish it was possible for us to do such a thing, you know. Like we got here. Lambos, and now we got Lambos. Like money. You rap about death, you rap about somebody, you rap about like investing it. Yeah. It's just what you. I've never seen this era. Sorry, because you. Like you can look us up. We never even said about taking nothing and die. We never even said if I die today. Like we don't. I don't like that. I don't like that. Yeah, I think that's crazy. That's all I am. I don't play like that. I don't like that. Yeah. Cause I feel like Biggie and Pop kind of wrote their own thing. Man, you can't talk about that, man. See, now they talking about don't talk about death, and then here it comes. So. You going to the top. You rap about going to the top, and then you at the top. And you rap about that. You know what I'm saying? I'm just one had a witness of manifestation. You feel me? I seen it, so I know the power of the tongue is powerful. You feel me? So what you speak come to existence in certain things. You listen. KRS had this lyric back in the days. He said, "Watch what you say, because you attract it." So if you rap for the gangsters, guess who's gonna come to your shit? Gangsters. You rap for rich niggas, guess who's gonna come to your shit? You rap for girls, guess who's gonna come to your shit? So I mean, it's like you can't manifest this negativity, this death into our lives. We learn how to make it sound like you gotta be positive. The world needs it. You feel what I'm saying? Rain, draw top. Niggas like a stir fry. You feel what I'm saying? Like, Hannah Montana, I got Mala, I got White, I got Trap. So, I'm going to end this by saying, you know what I'm saying? It's just the way, it's the way you got to put that shit in the lingo, bro. You got to learn how to disguise it, because, one, we ain't trying to see no judge about no lyrics. Right. You know what I'm saying? So, shout out to Takeoff. God bless the Migos. I pray that Takeoff's soul is in heaven. He's a very intelligent young man. 28 years young. Amazing. I just want to give a shout out to say thank you, God, for our time. Thank you.